treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The modern diesel power plant assures both clean emissions as well as maximum power output from as little fuel as possible. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes heated seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a power seat, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.